going to show you guys how to install a coolant filter right here. So I got my coolant reservoir right here. I noticed that the hose goes straight to the top and it continues to cycle and blow fresh coolant in. Then it drops to the bottom. There's a hose at the bottom and it continues to run. So it goes in and then it goes out. This other hose is just an extra hose. It's for additional pressure. It's like equalizing the system, and it goes to the upper radiator. So, looking at this filter, what I noticed was every time I would do a drain and fill, I would constantly see metal shavings inside the jug after I just drained all the coolant. And this is every vehicle, whether it's an Audi, a BMW, a Ford, a Chevy. And my car is only 2 years old and it had metal shavings in the coolant. That doesn't mean your vehicle is breaking down. But think about this. Those metal shavings are continuing to run through the system and get jammed in your thermostat. They also get jammed in your radiator, and now you have to replace the radiator or you need to replace your thermostat. But this prevents it from clogging it and jamming it up, because I've actually already seen metal shavings get stuck in this little mesh. So I'm already stopping metal shavings from ruining my system. It's awesome. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually install it yourself. Here's what it originally looked like. It was just this hose running through, and it was attached with a small little clip. Alright, so first off, we just pop the clip off. Okay. Then pull the hose off. Now make sure before you do this though that you don't have any pressure, so your engine's cooled off. That way it's not gonna blast coolant out as soon as you pop this off. So I have another hose, same exact size. The hose inside is the same, and I just have a little bit so it can go on, and then add the coolant filter onto it right there. And then I'm gonna attach this to it. So that's what it'll look like. So first, let's get this on it. I got these little brackets, and these brackets are about 1 inch in size. I got 2 of them. So first off, I'm gonna put one right here. Drill that together. It doesn't need to be super tight, just somewhat tight. That way it's like squishing onto it a bit. I'm gonna put another one of these here. And this one, I have a 1/2 inch one, which is actually pretty big for this one. So it's gonna give me a little bit of struggle to get it on. So I'm gonna tighten it right here. And then I pop this on with the clip. There we go. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished up. And I'm gonna start the car and you can watch and see the coolant fill up. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.